Peer review magic, enhancing your GMAT and GRE essays. Hello learners! Today we're diving deep into an essential part of the essay writing process for the GMAT and GRE, peer review and feedback. Remember, it's not just about what you write, but also how others perceive it. Let's get started. Peer review is the process of having someone else, preferably a fellow learner or someone knowledgeable in the subject, review and critique your work. For GMAT and GRE essay writing, it provides fresh eyes on your essay. It offers a new perspective, which can spot errors or suggest improvements you might have missed. It builds confidence when you receive positive feedback and constructive criticism. Imagine writing an essay and thinking it's perfect. But, when someone else reads it, they might find parts that are unclear or arguments that aren't as strong as they could be. Here's why peer review matters. Quality. Improve the quality of your essay by rectifying mistakes. Clarity. Ensure that your arguments make sense to an external reader. Feedback loop. Repeated peer reviews help you recognize patterns in your mistakes, making you a better writer over time. Embarking on the peer review journey? Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Choose the right reviewer. This could be a classmate, a tutor, or even a family member. But make sure they have a good understanding of GMAT or GRE essay expectations. 2. Provide guidelines. Share what the essay prompt was and what you're specifically looking for in feedback, e.g., clarity, grammar, argument strength. 3. Be open. Accept feedback with an open heart. It's for your benefit. 4. Review and revise. Go back to your essay, consider the feedback, and make necessary revisions. The peer review process is reciprocal. If you're receiving feedback, you'll likely be giving it too. Here's how to do it effectively. Be constructive. Highlight both strengths and areas for improvement. Be specific. Instead of saying, "This is unclear," point out which part and suggest how it can be clearer. Be kind. Remember, words have power. Offer feedback in a polite and supportive manner. There you have it. Peer review is a magical tool in your GMAT and GRE essay preparation arsenal. Not only does it refine your essays, but it also turns you into a more mindful writer. We hope you found this insightful. Keep writing, keep reviewing, and all the best with your test preparations.